Hi there. In this video, we will learn about the ID selector in HTML and CSS. So let's get started. So why you might want to use the ID selector? For example, here we have this LIs, UL, and then we have the LI. And now if I go to the browser, okay, go to the browser. All right, go to the browser. Okay, now it is there. So here is our list items, and for example there is the unique list item, which is this one, for which I want to just have some different styles. Okay, in that case I want to use the ID selector, and please keep that in mind. The ID should be unique to a HTML page. It should not be repeated. What do I mean by that? So let's go here, and for example for this list item I do ID and do something like list1 or item1 dash 1. Okay, and now it is the ID. Please keep that in mind. Spaces are not allowed. Okay, so just do something like dash to like separate out words, or you can use underline as well. I like to use dash. Okay, so now what we can do, we can go to the CSS. First of all, what we can do, for example I want to have a blue background where we have the white text. So I will select all of the LIs for that, and here I can say background color to blue, or something like blue violet, and color to white. So hash FFF. Okay, hit save and go here. Now as you can see, every list item here has the same, like the styles, right? But we don't want that. We want only this one, the item one should have these styles. So how we can do that? We can just get rid of this li and then do hash. Then we have to name the ID. So here we have this item one. I can just copy that and paste it out here. Hit save and go to the browser, and now only the item one, which is here, is having the styles which we wanted. Once again, you might be thinking, okay, I want to style this item 3 as well. So we can do that. ID to do this one and hit save, and this will work. This will definitely work, but it is not a good practice, because whenever we are using ID, it indicates it is something unique to that particular page. So we do not want to repeat the IDs. Okay, so it is not a good practice, because if we want to have repeated styles, then we have the class selectors, which we will learn in the next video. So this is the ID selector in CSS.